First we'll open the box. Each scooter is going to come with the RS5 manual, a tightening tool with Allen wrenches so you can tighten all the handlebars, and it comes with one charger in the box. So once you're ready to take the scooter out of the box, there's a few protective styrofoam packaging that you need to remove before you can take it out of the box. So we're going to take the top styrofoam piece out, and then we're going to lift the stem up of the scooter up, and it's going to lock in place so you don't have to worry about it falling down. Take the second piece out. Now you can take the scooter out by yourself, but if you have somebody to help you with, it's recommended so you don't hurt your back, or it just makes it much more comfortable to do so. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach the handlebar to the stem of the scooter. You're going to use this tool that came with your scooter to tighten all the screws. All right, so once you take the bracket off, you're going to take the handlebar and place it in the empty part of the bracket. And you're going to want the LCD display to be facing where you'd be riding the scooter. Then you're going to take the bracket you took off and put it behind these wires back onto the other side of the bracket. And you're going to tighten them back with the tool that's provided in the box. The handlebar is firm and tight, and we're ready to move on to the next step. Now, to make it safe for riding, you're going to need to turn this stem knob clockwise all the way until the knob will not twist anymore. Now that we have the handlebar on, we have the stem locked, we're ready to turn the LCD on. There's a black thumb push button right next to the single dual button. So turn the scooter on fully, you're going to hold this down for a couple seconds, and you'll see the LCD display turn on. You have your headlight, which is the off and on button right on the left, so you click it on. Earlier, when you open your box, you're going to see a warning label that tells you to inflate your tires to the correct PSI. And that's very important so you don't get flat tires. Each scooter is going to come with the PSI on the tire. You can use a manual bicycle pump to inflate these tires to 40 PSI. We also recommend buying an electric pump. You want to unscrew the cover. When you've done those 3 steps, you're ready to ride on your RS5 scooter.